Hello Prestaholic gang, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to be showing you a mini haul that I got from Shein. I do plan to do more Shein videos because I feel like they're just super inexpensive. You do have to wait about like 2 to 3 weeks depending on when you order for your order to arrive, but I feel like it's definitely the way to go if you're looking to save money and get the latest trends on nail products. So I am going to be doing a mini haul, but before we get into it, I just wanted to announce the giveaway winner, and I really want to thank each and every one of you for watching the video, commenting, and entering the giveaway. So today's winner is J. Cole. It's Jaycol. By mistake, I did not put for you guys to put your Instagrams in the comments. So if you are Jaycol, please message me on Instagram. Again, thank you so much to every single person who entered. And probably next week, I'll be doing another giveaway. I have so many giveaways that I want to do this year. So be sure to be subscribed to the channel. I do tons of random giveaways, especially this year. I really do want to give back to you guys and just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here, subscribing, and supporting me this far. And if you are new, you already know what to do. Click on that subscribe button. My name is Deja. I'm here for you every Tuesday. I am trying to make it so that it's more on like Tuesdays and some type of random day during the week, but I have not made that final. But here you'll find a ton of nail art, nail related videos, and business tips and tricks that I share with you guys. So be sure to subscribe, and again, we will be doing tons of giveaways this year, so be sure to enter and subscribe. So without further ado, here is the Shein haul. So starting off with these nail buffers, I did used to use these like when I was first starting, and I still order them today. I will say that they're a little bit more coarse than you will find in like other nail buffers, but for me, I really do like them. And something that I decided to pick up were these Swatch, I guess they're Swatch sticks, but not really. And they just pop onto the gel polish. I thought they were really pretty, and I'm going to start using them for my Nail Addict polishes. So just keeping myself a little, you know, organized and keeping my space looking super cute. And I'm looking for the price of how much I paid for these. They were $1.50 for 50 pieces, which wasn't bad at all. And then I found these butterfly nail stickers. I was super surprised to see them on Shein because they are a nail couture dupe. So I was super surprised to see them. They're like that flashy type material or whatever, but they were only $1 a piece. So I did end up picking 2 up. And I did get more snakes. I don't know if you guys saw that set that I made with like the extreme length nails, but I did end up using these snakes and I fell in love with them. Absolutely had to have more, and Shein had them for $1 each, and I ended up ordering 4 to keep into my collection. I found them way cheaper on Shein than I found on Amazon or anyone else that was selling them, so highly recommend you pick it up. And next up, I got these I guess they're like rotation type things. I don't know if you've seen them anywhere else, but I sure have. I'm not too sure what they're called, but I did end up picking those up, and they were $3 for 5 pieces. And I ended up picking up these teddy bears. They were 10 pieces for $1.50. I wanted these for Valentine's Day. I thought that they would be super cute on a set, so I definitely had to pick these up. And talking about Valentine's Day, I hope that you guys are planning ahead. You guys are making your ready to ship sets. You guys are just trying to stock up because everyone goes crazy for Valentine's Day. Next up is these lint-free wipes. I believe that it was like 360 pieces for, I want to say like $3, and they were okay. They were very thin though, and I didn't like that it has like that little hole effect. I usually get the OPI ones from Amazon, but you can also find them at your beauty supplies. So I would definitely recommend to pick the OPI brand over these. So not my favorite, and I wouldn't buy again, but I definitely get these double-sided tape from Shein all the time. No matter what, I always pick them up because they're only $1. They come with a really good amount, and for $1, you just literally can't beat that. You'll just place it on your packaging, you'll put the nails on, and guaranteed the nails are going to stick through shipping. I never have a problem with it. No one has ever said that the nails have fallen off, and I just keep them in a Dollar Tree storage. And I also got these pink cardboard cards. I thought that they were super cute, and sometimes I really want to write my customers a note if they're a returning customer, if they're a first time customer, or anything like that. I really like to just leave a little note that just says thank you and something that's super personal. I was doing it for every single order when I first opened, but I just stopped doing it for whatever reason, and I definitely wanted to do it again. These were, it doesn't say how many come in the packaging, but it was only $1.50 for the box, and one side is glossy, one side is matte. I also got this container from Shein in, I want to say like my last month's order, and I was just leaving it on my desk. It just holds like unnecessary stuff. But I did end up using it for the cards. That way it's nearby and I can just grab it real quick, write a note, and that's it. Also, I wanted to show you guys how I store these lint-free wipes. You can find this container in Dollar Tree. Absolutely love them. I have like 4 of them because I just find that they hold so much. And basically, just, you already know. Put it in there, put it in your drawer, and call it a day. I just really like to have them opened and easy to access. Last but not least, we got 200 pieces of these fake nails. They did come in this really nice container, which I appreciated. That way they didn't come in those little baggies, but they are very short tips. I personally love short nails. This is how the nails would look on a fingertip, I guess. And yeah, I really enjoy just doing short nails on myself. I, of course, have my 3-year-old, and you know, mommies give up a lot of stuff, and I had to give up my long nails. So that's my sacrifice. They were $2.50 for the 200 pieces, but it was a really good value. And here's everything, guys. I hope that you guys have been safe. You guys are amazing. 2022 is going to be our year. I love you guys so much. And again, thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I am very much trying to grow this channel this year, so help your girl out. I love you so much. Please leave me a comment down below, and I will see you very soon.